of class 4th. Today I am here to present what I have learned in MS Office IT capsule. I have learned in MS Word how to insert picture, new shortcuts to do my work in computer, what is table group, mail merge, merge row and draw table. In MS Excel, I have learned new formulas. It will help me to make result, write a story, to take out sum and average, and how to do macros. After doing this, I have come to a conclusion that it will help me to reduce my work manually. I enjoyed this activity very much. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Vaishnavi Tiwari and I am in the activity Sizzle and Stare. So being in this activity, I learned about various nutritional values, the detox drinks, how they can help us for migration too, for our health problems, our inner health problems, and I even learned about how to cook fireless cooking. Like we can't even imagine cooking without fire. Like is that even possible? Yes, it is possible. Like I have learned many, like sandwich. We can cook that fireless. Like sandwiches, very tasty sandwiches, and today we learn about the sweets, the desserts like mousses and the fruit basket, chocolate basket, and many more things. Like for example, this we made today, and this is chocolate basket you can say, or these are the mouses. You can take a look. Then in past few days we learned many more things, like yesterday we learned about fruit salad, and the previous day we learned about the charts and various charts. So these are the things which we are learning, and in coming days also we'll be learning more nutrition things. Thank you.
My name is Karma, and I would like to tell you that what I have learned in our daily classes of summer camp. Fashion design is the ideation or creation of apparel, accessories or shoes. Apparel means clothing or attire which is worn by us. Sometimes it refers to a specific type of clothing such as business or formal attire. The general public may view fashion design as something that does not impact their daily lives, but I feel that it is equally important as it reflects our personality and character. Well, thank you.